Let me ask you something. How many times have you spent hours trying to make your digital product look professional online? You've got the course, the software, the ebook, the coaching program, but when it comes to showing it off, you're stuck with flat Canva graphics that look like everyone else's. Well, today I'm going to show you how AI-powered tools can create studio-quality 3D software box mockups in seconds. No designer, no Photoshop, no Fiverr order. Just one click and boom, you've got visuals that look like they came straight out of a $2,000 design agency. Here's the truth. Visuals sell. You can have the best copy in the world, the most irresistible offer, but if your product looks generic, people scroll right past it. Think about it. Every online business needs dozens of visual assets: sales page headers, lead magnet covers, course thumbnails, webinar slides, Facebook and Instagram ad creatives, email header images, affiliate bonus mockups. Each one of those assets either builds trust or undermines it. And right now, most marketers are stuck with two bad options. Use cookie-cutter Canva templates that look identical to everyone else in your niche. Pay freelancers $300 to $500 per asset and wait days for revisions. Neither option scales. And that's why this new wave of AI-powered design tools is such a game-changer. Enter Claw Brand AI. This is the first tool I've seen that genuinely fixes the design bottleneck for digital marketers. Here's how it works. 6 AI agents, built on NVIDIA's OpenClaw framework, coordinate on every mockup. You upload your logo once, set your brand colors, and from that point on, every asset comes out looking like it was produced by a real design team. Consistent branding across everything, generated in under 60 seconds. Imagine this. Instead of a flat PDF thumbnail, your lead magnet is displayed on a tablet, sitting on a desk with professional lighting. Instead of a boring text description of your affiliate bonus, you show a photorealistic mockup of a branded box, a spiral-bound playbook, or a sleek course binder. The visual sells the value before anyone even reads a word. Let me break down the most powerful use cases. Affiliate marketing. Create professional bonus page visuals that actually look like premium products. Branded boxes, tablets, binders, your bonuses look tangible and valuable. Facebook and Instagram ads. Generate multiple ad creative variations in minutes. Test different product shots, lifestyle mockups, and branded scenes without hiring a designer. When you can test 10 creatives in the time it used to take to produce one, your ad performance data compounds faster. Course and coaching launches. Build a full launch visual package in an afternoon. Course covers, module thumbnails, workbook mockups, certificate templates, countdown assets. Everything consistent, everything polished. Lead magnets and opt-in pages. Your lead magnet cover is often the first impression someone has of your brand. A photorealistic mockup converts better than a flat thumbnail every single time. Email marketing assets. Branded header images, product announcement graphics, and promotional visuals that match your identity across every campaign. And here's the kicker. The commercial license is included right from the start. That means everything you create is yours to use in ads, funnels, client work, or even products you sell. To give you some perspective, a digital marketer recently ran a test on 2 versions of the same Facebook ad. Same headline, same copy, same offer, same audience. The only difference? Version A used a flat Canva graphic. Version B used a photorealistic mockup generated with Claw Brand AI. Version B outperformed version A by 37% on click-through rate. Same product, same words. The only thing that changed was how the offer looked. That's the power of visual credibility. So here's the bottom line. If you're serious about scaling your online business, you can't afford to look generic. AI-powered tools like Claw Brand AI give you the speed, the consistency, and the credibility to stand out in crowded markets. No more waiting on freelancers. No more cookie-cutter templates. Just professional, on-brand visuals in seconds. If you want to see how this works for yourself, check out the link in the description and start creating your own 3D software box mockups today. Alright, that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI-powered marketing strategies, and let me know in the comments what kind of visuals you'd love to generate with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.